Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to tell you about some best skin glowing foods. The diet you take directly affects your skin. So in this video we are going to share some best foods like green tea, oranges, tomato, beetroot, and we are going to tell you in details about their skin benefits. So let's get started. The first thing which you can add in your diet is green tea. Green tea helps to clean out all the toxins from your body, which ultimately leads to clean and glowing skin. The presence of antibacterial properties in green tea helps to fight bacteria on your skin and gives you glowing and fair skin. The next thing which we are talking about is beetroot. Beetroot is packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals which plays a crucial role in our skin color and texture. Beetroot is mainly responsible for cleaning your blood as well as improving your blood circulation. It will also help to clean all the pimples and dark spots from your skin. So for this you have to make it a part of your daily diet. The next food which we are talking about is tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with astringent properties which help to prevent oil on your skin, which ultimately leads to clean skin. Tomatoes also helps to shrink the pores on your skin, which will ultimately improve your looks. You can also apply tomato face mask on your skin. The next food which we are talking about is orange. Orange contains high amount of citric acid as well as many other antioxidants that stops premature aging and wrinkles, ultimately leading to glowing skin. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.